Hello guys, today we are playing with Triple J Gaming and Life Save here. We are Nelson Gamer TV. We will be trying.
Yes, made a video 3 weeks.
Shut up. Sorry, not to you, someone else. We are going to the I don't know how to say that. The Dentor Alliance? The Drainer Alliance. And it turns out we're like right in front of it right now. The blacksmith house is a lot.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait until that guy named Hugo Andrew Marquez actually he's on AFK that actually started making a lot of stuff. It's the hard mod.
I don't know which it. I don't know where this is, but
this is kind of boring for me.
Can I collect that? That's like so much cash. Wait.
At the same time. Oh god.
Why can't I see myself?
Sorry guys, here, like, can I give you one of the, yeah, okay. Okay, now, Nelson, you're gonna have to
Okay, I'm just gonna be clicking a lot of this.
Okay, I can buy.
Oh, spam click! Oh, I wish I had the auto clicker. Wait, what?
The next dropper.
I don't think that floor was there before.
Next is 2,000 for that dropper floor.
Oh no, the server is lagging. Okay, good. It's not.
It's gonna be on Minecraft.
And
Minecraft doesn't lag
how much do I have? I have 104. 3.
I can't like get droppers. I can't buy droppers. I used to like work on the apples outside right now. So buy stuff.
Whoa.
No, I have a few things that we have to. I think I have to buy the armory.
No.
Look, I have way more things than I have. I actually have way more things than I have. When I get to the, I have to sit.
Who wants to? Let's see if we can just.
Hey, I got this suggestion. I guess is the wrong, but I don't care. For the owner. You need to make like 2 feet of my droppers or something like that. That's fine.
Click. I'm buying like so. I'm gonna be saving up my money to buy up droppers. Right now, I don't really have a partner, so.
Are you a noob or a block?
And just telling you, if you didn't see before, I am a blacksmith.
So you remember the hacker? He's actually a real bully to me in real life. I mean, it makes me pretty sad, maybe, but I'm okay. It's best friend. No. He starts to be if he ever brought us into the game again, well, he shouldn't, because I remove friends that I don't trust on my Roblox. No.
Okay, just telling you.
No, I did not.
And just
no,
saying.
I'm at 9 of this. I'm actually 9 of this. Oh god, that's bad.
And if anyone, guys, Let's go secret. Guys, let's go secretly. Guys, let's go.
Go make your proper crowd. Now speaking with TV, we really need the buddy right now, partner. Well, the good thing is he can buy all of his stuff and then that, and then his partner can buy everything else. I might actually have to do that on online. I'd say, or I'll do that.
Wait, we're gonna ask them something.
How do you get
Hey, triple. Which portal did you go to? Okay.
We're the resistance. We looked in a bunch of other islands. Oh yeah, this one's ours. And whoa, guys, look at this. This is actually beautiful. Dude, the fish. Oh my gosh, please stop roasting me, okay? Wait, I'm gonna actually screenshot this. Okay, I'm gonna actually screenshot it. You can screenshot. You can screenshot on the log. I just screenshot that. And that is beautiful. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ryan, now the TV is attacking us. Dude, go get your partner. You need a partner. Right? 1, 2, 3, my partner. I'm trying to kill that.
Ooh la la!
You're lucky if you take our partner. That's probably like one of the first. In my watermelon. You have to use WASD. I don't like using WASD. Yeah, that's what I'm for you. On Minecraft, I changed the controls to Oh, the donkey part. Okay, we can buy the next dropper.
We're gonna be killing them all day. He just wanted to.
I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna snipe you. Yeah! Yeah!
Right. No.
You can buy pack torches for 500 right here. Oh, I know how to get level 2. How? You level 2? Yes!
Oh, I finally was killed.
Oh yeah, I'm a level 2.
I was finally killed. Yeah.
Wait, you get level 1 I mean, like, I don't know.
Oh, I'm a level 3.
Because no one killed you. That's why.
Oh,
You can't kill
guys, it looks like whenever you kill someone, you earn experience points. So right now I'm a level 3. I'm about to be a level 4. Oh, I have to get 1,000 again. This is gonna take so long. I can't buy anything. Come on.
I'm gonna end the video.
Guys, we're gonna
Yeah, we heard that. Guys, get ready for an attack. Yeah, we're all ready. Yeah, get ready. Get ready. He's about to go for the floor. I can see when he's about to go for the floor. Yo, what's your goal? So we can right at the other island. Wait, can I go? I'm gonna end the video. Then I'll stop. 5 seconds long.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys later. Don't like the video. Of course.
Like 5 hours of videos is no!
Ah!
Subscribe, like, and comment, well, why we don't get it out? You need to get OBS. Get OBS.
Let's delete the video.
OBS is way better.
I'm level.
OBS might be
Hey, I'm at level 5. Ouch. I was hit. I died. And that, guys, is us dying. And we're at level 5. And soon we will be ending the video. A few minutes. Guys, we're about to get killed. And Mr. Sinister.
You did that like yesterday. Yeah,
It's gonna be so easy.
Yeah.
And just saying, we will be doing some videos
I need to get 5,000 by the next song.
because. Oh no! 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 This guy's a level 8. Man, how do we get this guy? He's a level 8.
Other people attack us.
Why is it?
I'm gonna need your help. I know. Yeah, so lightsaber will be doing a series on this. Okay. I'm an iron. So you wanna check out the series, you know?
Oh, and we killed Billionaire again.
Oh shoot. Fight me. Fight me.
Oh no! And we were level 5.
I wish I could.
Okay, let's go collect ours. Soon will we be ending our video.
Go by the next rock.
Come on! Yeah! We got it! We finally got it. Can we? No! We can't afford it! Well, we're gonna keep clicking.
Or I can buy silver primer.
I will come back when we get to 10,000.
I'm actually gonna see what silver slime.
Hello guys, that is the end of the video, so
Yeah, I'm gonna pop.
bye.